Hey everyone, it's Krista from Monorail to Mickey, and I am at Disney's Beach Club Resort. It is beautiful here, and I'm on my way to the room. I'll be staying in a deluxe studio in the villas, so I'll show you what it looks like. So we are going in. This has a nice little entryway area. Cute little mirror with some hooks to hang some things. This one can also join to the room next door. As you walk in, we have our kitchenette here on the left. There's a nice mini fridge, sink, full-size coffee maker. Has our microwave. In the cabinets, there's a toaster, some dishes, and then around here to the right, we have our bathroom area. So we have a single vanity, plenty of counter space, looks nice. I like this extra shelving here to put your things. And towels, a makeup mirror, some storage underneath with the hair dryer. And then in this room here, we have our toilet and our shower. And the shower here still has the individual bottles of the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, not the refillable ones. And then over here we have a closet. Has your extra blankets and pillows, your safe, ironing board, iron, vacuum. Pretty big closet, really. All right, as we go into the room, they had a Mickey of towels here on the bed. How cute is that? So cute. So this room can actually sleep 5. We have the bed here, we have a pull-out sofa, and then our table area is actually another pull-out bed. Has lots of light with the lamps, ceiling light, lights over the bed. Plenty of space when the beds are not pulled out. But I will pull out the bed so we can see what that looks like when everything is pulled out. And sleeping 5 people will be a little cramped. But first, let's go outside. Let's see what the view is like. I'm on the 3rd floor, so I do have a balcony. I'm going to go out on our balcony. It's not a big balcony, but it'll do. A nice size for sitting out. You can see around. It's a beautiful day. Nice woodsy view. That's not so beautiful, but the rest of it is. A little loud with the buses in the road right there. But otherwise, not a lot happening. Making it pretty peaceful. All right, so let's get these beds out. So to put this one down, you have to press this button way in, and then we can pull the handle to lower the bed down. And inside, we have a sleeping Donald. How cute. And then in the bushes here, hidden Mickey. So this is about big enough, I'd say, for a child. I'm a small adult and I could probably fit on it, but I don't know that I would be comfortable. So just be aware of that when booking here. All right, I pulled out the sleeper sofa, and as you can see, we have to move the little end table over. And with that and the chairs moved, there's a little walkway here, but not a lot of space. But it would do. And it helps to have this extra space over here, in this particular room anyways, to be able to put your things. There is no under the bed storage here for your luggage, so something else to think about. The drawers here are pretty small, but you could put some things into them. And that about wraps up our tour here of Disney's Beach Club Villas Deluxe Studio. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this deluxe studio room. I will be making more videos as I stay in other resorts and other room types here at Disney, so be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.